A psychopath is someone who lacks caring and being able to empathize with other people. They just don't have that part of the brain.
Why do so many people question your temperament?
They don't question. It's Madison Avenue. Madison Avenue.
Bill Clinton was abusive to women.
You've called women you don't like fat pigs, dogs, slobs, and disgusting animals.
You could see there was blood coming out of her eyes, blood coming out of her wherever.
Why do so many people question your temperament?
Even psychiatrists are saying that he has classic psychopathic personality.
You can tell them to go themselves.
I don't like to use the word narcissist because people don't know what that means, but he's a classic example. And the world is full of those personalities.
This unhinged lunatic.
People that eat vegetarian diets culturally are shriveled, are weak, are stupid.
Anti-vegan, Alex Jones.
Vegetarian diets give you cancer. Stupid. And the truth, and the truth, and the truth.
They are letting people know worldwide we are a white supremacist administration.
Several senators have brought up about in the 99% and things like that I thought I ought to clear up because, I mean, for his background, I started talking about...
He's actually close to being the most powerful person on the planet. He said he's for killing people who flip off the United States Army.
When they circle our beautiful destroyers with their little boats and they make gestures at our people, they will be shot out of the water.
I'd bring back a hell of a lot worse than waterboarding.
This guy's psychotic. This guy should get the fuck off of my planet.
Completely psychotic now.
I keep hearing about this woman thing.
I don't want to sound too much like a chauvinist, but
She said he's a That's terrible. Terrible.
The hell with the men, right? The hell with the men.
why do so many people question your temperament?
They don't question. It's Madison Avenue. Madison Avenue went to Hillary Clinton.
The way he has treated so many people. And now people are ready to vote for him for president.
There has never been so many lies, so much deception. There has never been anything like this.
Like I've been saying, meat eating and Republicans go together. They're selfish people. They don't care about animals. They don't care about people either. They just want to use animals and people and the environment for their own gain. The reason you have these two choices is because of the collapse, the moral, ethical collapse of the Republican Party. And if you don't like how things have turned out, you can't just blame Democrats. For instance, Obamacare. If Obamacare is not working out great, it's because of the Republicans who got in the way of Obamacare being what it should be, what Obama wanted it to be. People like this need to be shut down quick. And we didn't do that, and now we have this big problem. Even if he doesn't become president, he's already been heard by so many people, and he's polluted people's minds, brought out this fringe group of crummy, deplorable people who now have a big voice.